What do you want? That is the first and last question when you're starting a business. If you don't know the answer to that question, then you are going to flounder around. You're going to make bad choices. You're going to go down paths and have to turn around and go back and start over. So it's critically important to figure out where you want to go. I was talking to a law firm owner yesterday, 2 days ago, and their vision for their firm is much different than mine. They want to be able to practice law. They want to make a good amount of money, but not a lot of money. And that could be not be further away from what I want. I want to build a great business. I want to have a team. I want to, expand and grow and have fun. And not that the other way is not fun either. But those two businesses are going to look very, very different. So if you haven't thought about what the end game looks like, what it looks like if everything goes right, that's where you need to start. All right, so do that first. Let me know in the comments. Follow. See ya.